Hi friends, it's Becky, and it's time for me to share with you my September Beads to Live By Curated Collection subscription. This is a monthly bead subscription. It consists of either seed beads only or seed beads and 2-hole beads. And it is paid quarterly, but the shipments are done monthly for you to be able to have all of these. And so they are coordinated. You get 8 different selections of seed beads. Most of the sizes come in a 10-gram bag, except for the 15-ohs that come in a 2-inch tube. You also get 5 selections of 2-hole beads, and it varies from month to month which selections you'll get, but they are always coordinated to go with your seed bead selections. There are companion bundles that you can also purchase. I did not get them this month, but they are usually a pretty good deal, and they also are coordinated to go with the seed bead and 2-hole bead selection. I did, in addition to my curated collection, get a couple of seasonal, spooky season bead bundles that Cassandra had listed for sale over on the Beads to Live By site, and there are a lot more than just what I got. In fact, she's added some more spooky bundles to the site since I ordered those, so you know, I'm probably going to go back and order some. But I do want to share with you my bead subscription before I do that, and then after I share that, I'll share the bundles that I got as well. So if you are ready for spoilers, I'm going to move this and you'll be able to see what we get in the 2025 September Beads to Live By Curated Collections. If you are not ready for spoilers, go ahead and save this video to watch later. And then after you get your Beads to Live By subscription, you can come back and see how I describe it. All right, here we go. So this is a really fun selection of colors. I love like yellow and purple together. It's not orange and purple necessarily, but it is a nice deep rich golden autumnal palette with a little bit of spooky season thrown in. I love that we've got some warm neutrals and some cool neutrals, and we've got some really pretty colors to accompany them. So let's start with our 15-oh seed beads and get in real close so we can take a look at them. These are, again, they come in 2-inch tubes, and this one is crystal with an AB finish. And then we've got this beautiful green with like a rainbow iris finish on it. It is just luscious. I love those 15-ohs. These are the 11-ohs, and I'm not quite sure how I would describe this color. It's like, maybe it's like a bronze iris or something like that, but there's definitely some bronze tones, some green tones, and it's got a real metallic-y feel to it for these 11-ohs. And then we have some matte topaz AB 11-ohs with some decidedly cylindrical shapes on there. And then these are our 8-ohs. We've got some more matte finish 8-ohs. This is a really like rustic feel, natural kind of look. It's a very woodsy kind of a color that is really pretty, and I'm not quite sure how I'd describe that. But then we've got some gray silver lined opal 8-ohs as well. And I really love when we get the opal-y glass and a silver lining, because it just makes it look like the bead is glowing from within. And then we've got a matte finish silver line with that same topaz color, but in a 6-oh seed bead size. And then silver lined plum with that opalescent glass that just makes it look like we've got a big glow going on in there. So those are our seed beads that we're going to be looking at. And then for our 2-hole beads, this is a really fun addition, and I really enjoy creating with this type of 2-hole bead. It is a 2-hole cabochon, and so it's round on one side, you've got 2 holes that go through it, and then it is flat on the other side, and it's such a great little centerpiece for doing like a flower design or doing some sort of other, maybe a geometric design or something around. It's such a fantastic piece to have right in the middle of some sort of design that you're building out from when you're doing like bead weaving designs. And then we've got some Czech glass tiles, and this is a two-toned Czech glass tile bead. It has a goldeny yellow finish on one side and a purple finish on the other. Oops, I'll lay that across right there. And then we've got some silky beads, and silky beads are absolutely one of my favorites. I don't think they ever get enough love. And these are flat silky beads. They're flat on both sides, no bump in the middle. And they are also a square shape, but the holes go, whoop, instead of perpendicular to two sides, they go through the diagonal on the bead. I'm just going to make a mess with all of my beads while you're on here. And then we've got some Czech 2-hole bar beads. And these ones have kind of a matte finish, but it's got a gold on one side and then crystal on the other. Kind of feels like a gray sort of tone that goes through that. And you know, it's not always gold on here. It looks like we've got a little bit almost coppery color on it, but not quite copper. And then we've got some 2-hole dagger beads, and I love a 2-hole dagger. You've got a hole close to the back of it and then one a little bit further down in there, and you get a whole strand of these. These are a fantastic addition to, again, some designs that you do with bead weaving, but there's a lot of fun things that you can do when you're stringing with some daggers as well. So this one looks like we've got a turquoise color glass and then a travertine finish and maybe some silver splash. That's what it looks like to me. This is a nice organic feel on that one. Let's put that over here with our 15 O's. And that is our curated collection for this month. And let me pull out the bead bundles that I got. These are kind of spooky season bead bundles. The first one was this Wicked theme where we've got these bright, searingly bright lime green, neon green drooks. We've got some small 3mm ones and some larger, I feel like these are 6mm. They might be 8 though. This is my son's favorite color, so it is really fun to have. And then we've got some pink beads to go with it, green and pink. We've got some pink pip beads in this beautiful bubblegum pink color. We've got 2 strands. Well, 1 strand of fire polish. Actually, no, I think this is 2. But I think they are different sizes. Maybe? No, 2 sizes. All right, one has a B and one has kind of a pearlescent finish. But these are some little teeny tiny guys for these 2 strands. And then we've got a flower bead mix with these Czech glass flowers. We've got 4 of these. Actually, it might be 3 of those with more of a purpley tinge to them. And then these 2 have more of a pinkish tinge. Pinky purple, I don't know. They could all be used interchangeably, I bet. And then 2 that are black with the green. And 2 that are white with black. And then a little bead mix where we've got some 4mm fire polish beads and some of these tube beads that have little window cuts on them. These would be fantastic with the size of hole that you have on here. You could do some 2-strand designs and go through these with both strands without any problems. In fact, that might be a really fun way to create with this. So I'll probably at some point in October, most likely, pull this out and do a little designing with this later because I love doing spooky season things, and also, you know, the Wicked movie is going to be coming out again. The Wicked for Good. It's going to be great. So let's put this bundle away. Actually, let's just move it over here because then we can take a look at all of our beads all together, all out, instead of putting it away completely. All right, and then the second spooky season one, and this one, there are a bunch of different colorways. Well, I say a bunch, but at least 4 different colorways that you could order with this one, and it's just the Dia de los Muertos one. I'm pretty sure that I ordered and got the another color last year when Cassandra did this, but I think it might be different this year. I'd have to go back and look at what that other one was. But you start with a couple of these Czech glass skull beads. I love this type of bead. It is one of my favorites. I love skulls. I love them. Iconography and everything. So we've got these guys, and I love these Dia de los Muertos skulls. And then we've got some soft pink with gold wash tulip beads. Again, these are all Czech glass. All of these beads that are in here. So we've got these, and then we've got some black with gold wash, Czech glass flowers. These are like the folklore flowers. We've got some more pip beads, and these are like a light amethyst with some gold splash. There we go. Just waiting for that to focus. And some bicones. These have like a gold luster finish on them. And the light, depending on how the light hits it, it can either look gold or purple. It's like magic. And then we've got a little 11-0 seed bead mix. So let's spill some of these out onto my dish, bring it in close, and take a look at some of the different colors involved in here. It looks like we've got some matte finish gold lined 11-0 seed beads. We've got some matte finish purple beads. We've got some luster finish purple beads, and then some crystal beads that don't have the gold lining, but might be a very light pink, it looks like, for some of those. That is a really fun bead mix for us to have on there. So let's scooch these guys back down here, get everybody in the shot, and you can see all of the fun goodies that I got in my package from Beads to Live By that I just opened. So these are going to be a lot of fun to design with this month. Again, these are seasonal. They're not part of the subscription. This was part of the subscription, and there's some really fun beads in here that I'm looking forward to creating some fun things with. So I will put links in the description to Beads to Live By. I'll link both to these bundles and to the really fun ceramic bead bundles that she added to the site after I ordered these, because they look really great and a lot of fun. Again, seasonal, and just a really great way to celebrate the season is with some beads, I think. But I love the Beads to Live By Curated Collections. I don't have to like decide what beads go with together. Cassandra made up her mind for me, and I love just taking them and knowing that they will go together no matter what. It is one of my favorite bead subscriptions, and I am happy to share it with you. Until next time, my friends, happy beading.